Hey everyone, welcome to my channel if you haven't been here before, and if you have, I greatly appreciate you. Oh, if you haven't, go ahead and click that subscribe button. But if you've been here before, then you know that I get straight into these nail tutorials. So right here I decided to show you guys my nail drill because it's pretty affordable, and I'm sure everybody's out there looking for maybe like an affordable nail drill, or anyways, I got this on Amazon. Don't mind the box, it does look a little beat up because it is almost 2 years old, so it's held up pretty nice. It also came with a year warranty, but I'm just kind of showing you guys how it came in the box and the drill, and it did come with that drill bit. So I'm just going to start putting everything together and showing you how to plug it up. I'm plugging in the drill, and the hole in the top is to hold the drill so it's not just like, laying out. And of course, that plug in the back is where you can plug the entire thing into the wall. And then there's the left and right switch right there that you see me messing with, and that controls which direction the drill bit moves. And this right here is a foot pump. I've never used the foot pump, but you can also plug the foot pump in the side next to where you plugged in the drill bit. And these are my Halloween nails. Those are my Halloween nails. I love them so much. I should have made a video for you guys, but I didn't. So I just thought I'd show you guys that. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys the drill bits that it came with. I haven't really, like the metal ones, I haven't used those really because honestly they aren't that useful, but I am gonna go ahead and show you how this gets off gel polish, and I'm also gonna show you how it gets off some of these jewels on my other finger. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and get into the new set. So I'll let you watch that, and then I will pop back in. Anyone is actually interested in this nail drill, then make sure you check the description because I'll put more details in it, because I wasn't really able to give like an in-depth like review for this nail drill. So if you're really interested, just make sure you check out the description. So I'm not gonna lie to y'all, the jewels were kind of hard to drill off. Anytime, well, I feel like, because I can definitely see myself struggling sometimes, I'm assuming that y'all can see it sometimes too, so I don't gotta like point it out every time, but that was a little bit of a struggle. So I already filed like my cuticles and stuff like that. Sorry if like my cuticles still do look a little bit rough, because like I said, well, actually I didn't say that. I have to get a better drill bits, because I still have the ones that my drill came with, and those don't work too good. So I'm not able to like get as close to my cuticle as I like. But I'm just feeling my nails right here before I go ahead and do my new design. And my new design, actually, I guess we skipped Thanksgiving, or well, we skipped a November theme, I guess, because we just went from Halloween to, well, this actually isn't a theme, but it was just, these nails were inspired by _polished by Lexi on the front of my brain. She killed these nails. She slayed these nails. Like, to me, they're just so bomb. Like, it's just so, like, I guess you could say like aesthetically pleasing. I don't know, it's just so simple and just so cute to me. So there's the inspo, and let's talk about this part right here. So I had filed and buffed my nails off of camera, and Um, let this be my mistake and not yours. Make sure that if you're gonna put gel on your nails, that you leave the top of your nails rough, because you can see right here, I guess my nails were, the top was too smooth, so you can see like the gel separating or like forming like, and not like it's separating because it's not bubbles, but anyways, it's a problem. I don't like it. It doesn't really do it when I get to the red polish, but and because I was gonna put black over the white, I kind of got away with it because, you know, I was doing spots. So I got away with it this time, but learn from my mistakes if you are a beginner like I am. And here's when I start to go in with the red gel polish, and you can see like it's not separating like the white is. So but I swear, like, I filed and buffed all my nails the same, so I don't know, but I do cure my nails after, like, after each nail I paint, I'll cure it. So I'll paint one nail, I'll cure it, paint the next nail, I'll cure it. You know, you get it. So that way we don't have no mistakes. We don't got no, like, you know, oh, like right here, you're about to see I almost messed up. But that's the good thing with gel, is that if you mess up, you can kind of like just wipe it off and erase it and like start over. But then, you know, you got to be careful. See, like, I really almost like effed the whole thing up right there. But it's a good thing I was dealing with gel. So I brought it back just a little bit. I fixed it. So there we have it. Half and half. And I do know that the edges of my nails look a little rough, so don't nobody better be calling me out for it, okay? I already know. But right here, I'm about to start using my black gel polish and my dotting tool to make my cow print, or my cousin called them Dalmatian spots. My cousin called these Cruella de Vil nails. So cow nails, Cruella de Vil nails, whatever makes you feel comfortable. This set is actually not that complicated. It's actually pretty darn achievable, to say the least, I guess. Yeah. Well, so I'm just going to finish putting my cow prints on here. You get the picture. I am going to show you my left hand also. But I'm going to let you watch some of that. And I guess I will pop back in when I feel like you need to hear my voice. So they're pretty simple nails, and I don't know why I always gotta be extra, so I'm just adding my little touch of jewels, and I'm still working on my placement with the bigger jewels, but this is what my end result came out to. And I loved this set. I love this set. I do wish that I actually did them longer, and I hope that you loved this set too. So obviously we skipped November, so look out for Christmas nails.